Alright, so for me, Dindi no go artist na higher Ghana and TV. Your best time say, we best subscribe to the channel. Then I'm from my dream share brown comment section. You make sure be there. Abusia, Adia na na do dan kwa kufuado. Any the NPP as a whole, NPP party. Ayama Nesifu, any attitude for Abusia, it is unbelievable. But these same people now, na do dan kwa kufuado. Any the NPP has spent so much on making sure say they have been paid even time now COVID aba obia ufie no kran na do dan kwa kufuado to chomuka. Unlike President John Dramani Mahama the first time now we didn't kofoka 2 years and we chomuka 7 months. That time now education minister na Yemami Jane. But teacher for with all those things are about failing in ano. They went ahead to vote against the NPP now. The NDC they've cancelled teachers training allowances. They cancel it. It takes the NPP government to bring back that allowances for you people. The NDC can remove for or Chamalan was or say they you people don't deserve it. We are mom under baby. Because of NDC, because of John Dramani Mahama, and a backlog of nurses. I dare you find a backlog of nurses no? In the first time of the history of Ghana. No? President John Dramani Mahama, this his training by you say, you be Freddy be say backlog of nurses until I say go for a school. How maybe they have nowhere to be employed. They will not employ them. They have to be in their house. It's because of President John Dramani Mahama. Not pressure. Or none or this all in the buy. You won't be the yanti be put that. It takes the NPP government to come to power 2016 to start employing Kofuna. President John Dramani Mahama when I press one to be employ one nurse. One nurse per one to be employed. It takes the NPP government to employ those people, and that is the reason why you have a backlog of nurses and then I even say. But this same president Ababo tell be trouble to us or no Jimo. See another than Kwakufado and another than Kwakufado need Dr. Mahmoud Bambiom to wedding. It's on Mutua Betty NPP because on no President John Dramani Mahama will be to my year. And with all these things and another than Father, you people are so ungrateful to this party. Wouldn't throw that more sorry to Abama. Nanado alawan ya GN 2 Nanado alawa ya GN 2 enune emune anachino yes endimu miamwene hamusu musi Mahama payers now onjua muka ene onjua muka echina or America or the $27,000 and the projecting the picture war nice in America. Or America see how many can say or $27,000 to project in his picture on one picture. A billboard with an so. That is what he's using our money for. A bra teachers who could buy a soon. A bra you war next for more could have a say, oh, pay us now. He's in America, air control. And the picture. On the picture to billboard with our money $27,000. When it ask when go for to me with that money, when number of people that money can pay. But no on Jim ya can't remo. Ya can't remo. Yes, I am cow. Ya can't. But because mu be brain, that time I say na mu yet, you know, and then you people fail to read. You fail to read. You fail to do a simple investigation and send them up because but you say about once and so and on a name so na e wo about one na mo be sorry akoto abafu no and na ene mo film no. Now you are crying. You want us to talk something for you. You be can say na ye what's ye can chire mo no that time no you were not listening. And mo bre you are asking us to talk some ye be can say no no or America on the picture about billboard so $27,000 only kakatwa. Do you think it's just for fun? For fun, keke. Ono this as can ye. Ebra mu akomodim ye tum with mu room. Ebi krasa o kwadwuma na empty stomach so no di kwadwuma oni ska oni kapre. Mu be brasi we. Say ya kan kire mu. Person beti. Person beti. And we na beba. Di beba.
Bara teacher for your masema. MPP ye teacher for papa saying a teacher for ni MPP ayeda. MPP ye nurse for papa saying nurse for ni MPP ayeda. Because ye nyina ye susa aye nim. Emre bi atwam teacher ni ukita set A. Ube ye diploma be wie no. No wabre. President Kufuor ba ya no so me the distance a year ba. Education aba our various college of education training colleges in nyina enti memenda o power fieda over core classes enti set A no and omo introduce diploma in basic education a teacher for no bebre e migrate to that system akokoye diploma obi wie ya no yes obetim dia akokoye degree for 2 years. A teacher for no minimum more no kita set A. Womo take advantage the year for diploma in education no and nebinum aye professors. Ebinum aye professors wo Ghana ha but time akofo be baba mu no mo kita set A. But through Kufuor programs so mo introduce ye wo education sector no etimi boy na do dan kwa Akufo Addo ba na a diploma teacher yetete na ebi di 800 ne kofie ebi di 700 ne kofie. At the end of Nanado and Baomia 8 years administration no na teacher nia oji 800 no 2017 no January 2025 no na sa teacher ni no at the 3,500 to 4,000 e kofie and so almost MPP anyahwe almost say MPP anyahwe teacher ni ya ba ya no mo tete na 700 Ghana 2017 and all the coffee 800 Ghana no MPP free abai mu no not the 3,500 to 4,000 Ghana e kofie almost say nyi MPP aye. And this year na yepe because and this is so about over my allowance. Nurses for say ye de ya Jessica no and so aba ne yento and ne awiamu demonstration. And ne awiamu demonstration. Because mo pa banya edwana num mo pe party a edwana num mo pe party e oba wo mo ye omo nkrofo no ye critical thinkers. How to recruit and how to pay you. One person party. Ye kwaya nim no ne ye kase. Ye ti we mfiri wo. Producer. Ya camp